Imagine you're waiting for your paycheck. You've got bills to pay, plans to make, and maybe even a little something extra saved up for a rainy day. But what if your direct deposit could hit your account a little earlier? That's where SoFi comes in. Today, we're diving into the question, does SoFi direct deposit early? Have you ever been in a situation where you needed your paycheck to hit your account ASAP? Maybe you had an unexpected expense, or maybe you were just tired of waiting. Well, if you're a SoFi member, you might be wondering if there's a way to speed up the process. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about direct deposits in general. When you set up direct deposit with your employer, they send your paycheck directly to your bank account. This is usually a convenient and efficient way to get paid. But sometimes, you might need your money faster than the standard direct deposit schedule. The SoFi advantage. So, does SoFi offer early direct deposits? Well, the short answer is, it depends. While SoFi doesn't have a guaranteed early direct deposit feature like some other banks, they do have a few things going for them. Faster processing. SoFi has a reputation for processing transactions quickly, which means your direct deposit could potentially hit your account sooner than at some other banks. SoFi Money. If you're using SoFi Money, their cash management account, you might benefit from faster processing times. SoFi Money is designed to be a more flexible and accessible way to manage your money. SoFi Checking. SoFi Checking also offers features that can help you access your money more quickly. For example, you can use SoFi Checking to withdraw cash from ATMs without incurring fees. Factors affecting direct deposit timing. While SoFi might be able to process your direct deposit faster than some other banks, there are a few factors that can affect the timing. Your employer's payroll schedule. Your employer's payroll processing time is the biggest factor in determining when your paycheck will hit your account. Even if SoFi processes direct deposits quickly, it won't matter if your employer doesn't send the money to SoFi on time. Bank holidays and weekends. If your direct deposit is scheduled for a weekend or bank holiday, it might be delayed. Technical issues. Occasionally, there can be technical issues that delay direct deposits. While this is rare, it's something to keep in mind. Tips for faster direct deposits. If you're looking to speed up your direct deposits, here are a few tips. Double-check your information. Make sure that your employer has the correct routing number and account number for your SoFi account. Any errors in this information can cause delays. Contact your employer. If you're concerned about the timing of your direct deposit, don't hesitate to contact your employer and ask about their payroll schedule. Consider SoFi Money or SoFi Checking. If you're not already using SoFi Money or SoFi Checking, you might want to consider switching to these accounts to potentially benefit from faster processing times. So, does SoFi direct deposit early? While there's no guarantee, SoFi's reputation for fast processing and features like SoFi Money and SoFi Checking can potentially help you access your money more quickly. However, the biggest factor in determining the timing of your direct deposit is your employer's payroll schedule. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.